I'm Lewis Butterworth. I'm here from Chiltern Global. I'm the Managing Director here. We're based in Chesham and we've been going for about 20 years now. Chiltern Global supply specialist equipment across the police, defence and medical industries for frontline personnel. We encountered some growth challenges over the last couple of years, which include structures to the company, including standard operating procedures and how we look to secure our future and set up more processes. So we reached out naturally to Buckinghamshire Business First to see what opportunities were out there for us to develop these things and help us to move forward in the future. Through signing up to the growth program, we were able to reach out for a number of different areas of support, for me personally and for the company as well. We were able to look at several different masterclasses, including the strategic masterclass, the lean masterclass, to help us really set some strong foundations to grow the business going forward. A number of the business advisors pushed us in the right direction for business finance and how we may want to raise funds in the future. Certainly as we look to develop more innovative products. Our bread and butter over the last 20 years has been working on bespoke manufacturing in the defence industry, so being innovative and able to work on unique designs of products has been a really big part of what we do. The innovation support from Buckinghamshire Business First allowed us to look through the innovation canvas and to really work through all of the different factors on some of the products that we want to innovate and to work out what the key areas were and which bits we needed to work on and focus on to make sure it gets across the line and is profitable in the future as well. Another large benefit has been the strategic masterclass that we undertook. It's been really important for me with my own personal development, but as a company, as we grow from a one-man team set up by my father 21 years ago now into a company that now has 14 employees and wants to really set up great foundations in 3 different industries now. It's been really important to help us develop better business strategy as well as procedures that are going to help us develop into a bigger team. And I think general security of the company, I think the early signs for me are really there. It's really helped us to sort of put a lot more structure in place to make sure that we're here to stay. I would recommend that other people get involved with Buckinghamshire Business First. I think that it's been absolutely vital to our growth, and I think it will really help us propel ourselves into a much stronger position going forwards.